Hello, Nick Jonsson here. So happy to be in Mauritius today. We have a training on purpose, vulnerability and authenticity. We have a room full of leaders who go deep inside themselves, and I hope that by today, when everyone is leaving, that they are leaving more with purpose, closer to themselves, and really feel a connection with their team members. That's what we're going through today. How wonderful it is, you can just walk outside in Mauritius and breathe the clean air. And that is something that we don't take for granted all around the world. Where I live otherwise in Southeast Asia, and all those big cities, there's a lot of pollution. So it's wonderful to be here in Mauritius. This is Nick Jonsson.
First of all, I would like to thank Namita and MIoD for hosting this session, Transformation by Purpose, Vulnerabilities. For me, it has been insightful. The session was amazing, and the way Nick shares his vulnerabilities has been something that makes you think it's okay not to be okay. The takeaway is one step at a time. I would highly recommend this course because it really puts you out there from the business world, your daily busy life, into really reflecting and having a balance in your life.
Alors c'était vraiment fascinant de voir que le well-being, c'est pas que on a tendance à parler que work and life balance, mais il y a plus que ça, il y a 8 dimensions. C'est au niveau de la santé, au niveau du mental health, du well-being, tout ça, et c'était vraiment intéressant.
C'est toujours très intéressant de rencontrer des personnes inspirantes comme Nick. On est vraiment preneur de tout ce qui est innovant, tout ce qui est nouveau. Parfois, il s'agit de choses qu'on connaît déjà, mais qu'on ne met pas en pratique. Et je crois qu'en tant que leader, c'est important de prendre soin de soi. Et c'est surtout pour ça qu'on a discuté aujourd'hui, l'importance de prendre du temps pour soi, pour sa famille. Et que quand on parle de purpose, de sens, on a souvent tendance à penser à du sens au niveau du travail, mais c'est important de penser à du sens au niveau de notre vie personnelle.